My name is Ghadi Ali and today I'll present the splenic bulb. So these are the objective of the presentation. So first I'm going to talk about the structure and function of the spleen. Second, I'm going to talk about the type of the splenic bulb, the definition of the red bulb, cell that found in the red bulb, function of the red bulbs, definition of the white bulbs, and finally the function of the white bulb. So we cannot jump into the white bulb and red bulb without mentioning the spleen. The spleen is the largest lymphoid organ in the body. It's located in the upper left quadrant of the abdominal cavity. It is an important organ for keeping body fluid balance, but it's also possible to live without it. The main function of the spleen is to filter the blood, and there are other functions such as iron retrieval and red blood cell receive. The spleen is made up of two different types of tissue. These tissue are the red bulb tissue and the white bulb tissue. And to see it, we will make a cut surface on a fresh spleen that will show gray area. The gray area will refer to the white bulb as you can see in the picture, and this gray area surrounded by red area which refer to the red bulb, also as you can see in the picture. The red bulb spaces are composed of two different structures. First, the splenic cyanosis structure. Second is the splenic core. The splenic cyanoses are specialized vessel replacement, a specialized part of the vasculature that connecting arterioles and veins together. Second, the splenic core replacement, the open part of the splenic circulation, which is our strand of loose connective tissue without endothelium. This is filled with all type of blood cell such as macrophages, plasma cell, red cell, and thrombocyte. Red bulb is appear red on the H&E stain. Most of the red bulb consists of blood-filled spaces. Cell found in the red bulb. These are cells found in the red bulb, white blood cell, large rounded cell, tend to be splenic cell. The macrophages, a large number of T lymphocytes, are distributed all over the splenic red bulb. B lymphocytes tend to accumulate around small red bulb arterioles. The white blood cell is a larger ratio than they are in the ordinary bladder. The function of the red bulb. The function of the red bulb is many, and to filter the blood, remove all damaged and dead red blood cell, remove leukocyte covered with immune complex, phagocytosis of the bacteria by macrophages, and storage of the red blood cell. These can be released following an injury resulting in a blood loss, such as when the person have sudden bleeding or bleeding from injury and so on. The red blood cell, the platelet, and the macrophages were released from the spleen. The macrophages will help to reduce inflammation and destroy pathogens or damage the cell in the injured area. The platelet help the blood clot to stop the blood loss, and the red blood cells are released from the spleen into the blood circulation to help compensate for blood loss. These are the function of the red bulbs. And to talk about the white bulbs consist of lymphoid tissue, mostly lymphocyte. The splenic white bulb is divided into three compartments where either T or B lymphocyte predominate. The T cell zone is called the pre-articular lymphatic sheath. There are two further compartments primarily inhabited by B lymphocyte, the follics and marginal zone. The white bulbs, dense and highly organized accumulation of the B and T lymphocyte around the arteriole. The white bulbs is a pair basophilic on H and E stain and appear red on the silver stain. And finally, the function of the white bulbs is it's the site where immune response is monitoring. Macrophages phagocyte the bacteria, storage and maturation of the B lymphocyte. As I said, that the white bulbs is consists of the lymphocyte. And its function here is site where immune response monitored. That because that the lymphocytes are responsible for cell mediated immunity, which is an immune response that involves the activation of certain immune cell to fight the infection. Thank you.